Hello everyone, this is Jasmine from Evangel Industrial Cooperation Limited, a leading Chinese trading exporter of construction machinery over 10 years. Today, a small XCMG hydraulic excavator XE75U is going to start its long voyage at sea. So let's go and have a look. As you can see, our today's main character, the XCMG hydraulic excavator XE75U is here. Its operating weight is 7,460 kilograms, and its bucket capacity ranges from 0.18 to 0.3 cubic meters. Actually, the small excavator is produced on the basis of the wholesaling model XE75D and is customized for the North American high-end market. Look, here is the engine. It adopts an environmentally friendly KUBOTA engine, and its rated power is 45 kilowatts. And the explosion-proof valves could improve safety when it works. So if you are also interested in the machine, you could just contact me, and you could learn more about our company and products from the fully official website. Look forward to receiving your inquiry, and see you